Hey guys, happy weekend. I want to pop in here and show you volume, right? This is going to blow your mind real quick. I promise you, if you've never seen this before, it's insane. I'm doing this the middle of the day Friday because there's not a lot to trade right now, right? The market's just going back and forth. But this is what the market looked like on Thursday, right? At the close on Thursday. So we're looking at the spiders as an example, the S&P 500, and we're looking at the 30-minute chart. The reason why we're looking at the 30-minute chart is we always say do not trade in the first 30 minutes. So this is the market as of yesterday, Thursday, and I'm going to sneak this to today. All right, and here's what's playing out now as I sit here midday on Friday. So we always say never trade in the first 30 minutes, and this is why, right? So if you remember yesterday, by the time this video is published, futures were higher, PCE data was fine, economic data was fine, and boom, we took off right out of the open. So we ripped right out of the open. And then the next half hour, we gave it all back and then some, right? So if you'd have bought in the first 30 minutes of the trading day yesterday, you'd be an upside down almost immediately. Now, I've got a couple lines drawn here, and they're not arbitrary. They correspond with big volume bars down here underneath, right? So there's volume here, and there's volume here, and there's volume here. Okay. Now, what's interesting about those? We go back to this 30 minutes and we took off. The question becomes, why did we stop there and roll over? Why here as opposed to anywhere else? Well, you look to the left, right? So you go over to the volume right here. How much volume do we have here? We're going against 13.1 million shares. Okay. Out of the open, we take off in the same time period, 30 minutes. We take off in only 9 million shares, or 9.7. So I guess 10, but it's 3 million less. Right? Not enough volume, not enough gas to push it higher. We ran out of gas like a balloon running out of helium. We turn around and come back down to earth. Tried to continue the next half hour and we came all the way back down. Interestingly enough, we came back down and stopped here and consolidated. Why did we stop here? That's interesting. Well, we came down on 7.8 million. What are we going against? Again, look to the left. Wow, we're going against 13 million shares, rounding off the 12.9. So we got 13 million shares here. We come down on 7.8 million, and it's not enough volume. Same thing, right? The opposite. Not enough power to push it lower. So what do? We reject and try to go higher, and now we're consolidating. So volume will tell you everything. It'll show you where the resistance is. Can't bust them higher, right? Because you're going up against too much volume on the left. And here, we couldn't bust them lower as of now because there's too much volume over here on the left. So it works going up and works going down. It's a key to your trading and will enhance your trading by a significant margin. Hope that helps and hope that's insightful. Have a great weekend.